Yate shidene Michael Etsiri inishye. Ado ne nishlinigi e tworich in nishle. Dog is pashin. Hi, my name is Michael Etsiri. I'm a Native American from the Navajo tribe. Here at Eagle Feather Minerals, we believe and take care of Mother Earth. Over a century ago, our ancestors utilized Mother Earth to produce great and delicious foods. Through modern day technology and a variety of 78 trace minerals, we are able to rejuvenate the soils. Raw materials are brought in super sacks and go through a process to be turned into a fine powder, kind of like flour. It then goes into a second process where it is nano-sized and turned into a liquid concentrate, in which we call LiquidTnT. By nano-sizing the 78 trace minerals, it is an easier way for the minerals to be absorbed through the pores of the plants in the most efficient and fastest way possible, making this a revolutionary super product. The Eagle Feather Minerals Mineral Grow LiquidTnT comes in a quart size and a pint size. You easily mix this concentrate with water, 2 ounces to 1 gallon, and simply spray it onto your plants, commercial fields. Anything that you want to see a magical and great result, use LiquidTnT. We need to farm in the ancient ways of our ancestors in a holistic and natural way. Thank you for stopping by today, and I hope that we can give back to Mother Earth.